Greetings to all our fellow RV enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting video on the Daily RV Life YouTube channel. Today, we are going to discuss the perfect food for RV living, ensuring a well-rounded and enjoyable culinary experience on the road. Living in an RV brings countless adventures, and having the right food choices can make a significant difference in your overall experience. Let's dive right into our top recommendations. 1. Non-perishable items. Stock up on non-perishable staples like canned goods, dried fruits, nuts, granola bars, and crackers. These items have a long shelf life and are ideal for road trips where refrigeration might be limited. 2. Fresh produce. While non-perishable items are essential, don't forget to incorporate fresh produce into your RV meals. Opt for fruits and vegetables that can last longer, such as apples, oranges, carrots, and cabbage. These can be enjoyed as healthy snacks or incorporated into recipes. 3. One-pot meals. Simplify your cooking process by preparing one-pot meals that offer a variety of flavors with minimal cleanup. Think chili, stew, pasta dishes, and soups. These hearty meals can be cooked in a single pot or slow cooker, saving valuable time and resources. 4. Easy grilling options. Make the most of the outdoor experience by utilizing your RV's built-in grill or portable grill. Grilling is not only a fun activity but also allows for delicious and healthy meals. Grill some marinated chicken breasts, veggies, or even a juicy steak for a memorable meal on the road. 5. Pre-made freezer meals. Prepare and freeze meals in advance, saving you time and effort during your RV journey. Lasagnas, casseroles, and homemade pizzas can be cooked partially, frozen, and easily finished off on the road. This way, you can enjoy homemade meals without spending too much time cooking. Remember, the key to successful RV living is planning ahead and being well prepared. Having a well-stocked pantry, incorporating fresh produce, and being creative with your meals will contribute to a delightful and hassle-free culinary experience. That's all for today's video. We hope you found these food recommendations helpful for your RV living adventures. Stay tuned for more exciting content on the Daily RV Life YouTube channel. Safe travels and happy cooking. Yours in adventure, the Daily RV Life team.